Hey guys, this is Icarus with another video for you guys. Talk about Eve AIO and the latest 7.5 update. And kind of interesting on this. Eve has been playing around now with checkout links for a while and delivering it different ways. They just last week they had a place where you can put a webhook and shoot your checkout links to Discord, but not as many people took advantage of it. It's just you already have your bot running, and then you have Discord somewhere else, and you may not necessarily have it on your server. Anyways, regardless, they've made an update and they've actually embedded it into Eve. So how do you see that? So there's two things. There's a new manual mode. So the mode here is now manual. All right, we're gonna do an example here. Easy supply. Make sure that we're testing, that we don't check out crap. We're gonna do a keyword. We're gonna say Vanta. Actually, sorry, I gotta drop this down to easy supply. Put Vanta. That's on manual. I don't think capture matters. It may, but I don't think it does. And let's see, payment resubmissions. Just none of this other matters. You may want to have a delay if you're running for a location. But anyways, here we are. So we're going to save, and so you saw the human mode, or the manual mode there. If you right-click, you'll see that there's a new window. This checkout URL. Right now, it's grayed out. Once this runs and a checkout URL is created for you to check out, this will become selected. I've also been asked, how do you see your log? And how do I get the little window? There's log. You're going to click on there. We're going to be able to track it. So let's make this bigger. We're going to run easy supply. Testing. All right, so we're going to hit start. Products, any cart, checking out, submitting menu. All right, so now you can click here, checkout URL. You're going to copy that. Let's bring up a browser. You may want to have your browser open already. There it is. There's a size 12 Vanta, and you can check out. So interestingly enough, it took me to the first page. In the past, it's gone farther, but anyway, so there you go. So this worked. What I found was not every web page worked. So social status. If I run, now this is a site-specific thing. If I run start, we're going to do the same thing, submit billing. All right. So there's a log. This created an error. If I go to checkout URL, so we're going to stop this here. Checkout URL, if you click on that, and let's go back to run this link. You'll see this is grayed out. So it doesn't work on every site. So I did set up some random ones that tend to have drops that we care about, and I'm going to go ahead and test it live with this video. Let's find out how many of them work. I have no idea. We're going to do start. Jordan didn't pick up there. Oh, that's okay. So it does trigger CAPTCHA. Waiting for order number 1. Interesting. So this acted differently. So if I go to checkout URL, see how this kept checking out? If I go to edit, oh, I had it on legacy mode. I screwed that up. All right. Stop. So let's go ahead and start. So this should stop at manual. Okay, so now I go checkout URL, grab that. I should just leave this open, right? So this worked. So you can just kind of rip through. So this is kind of help bypass you through queue. So this is going to be great when you have like medium level releases. I don't think it's going to help you when you're competing for like 100 pairs, but when you have a few pairs, this might be good. Like easy supply. Let's make sure social status was set on. It was not. Let's go to manual. Let's run that here. Oh, manual worked here. Checkout URL. Let's run this. All right, so it still generated the error message. So let's go to refresh. Check out auth token. So it's there. This is a checkout that you're grabbing. You want the checkout authorization token. You know, it's interesting because it's also putting in billing rate and shipping rate. You would think that this would take you to the end page, but all right. So let's go through the rest of. Actually, we're gonna mass edit these. We're gonna go to mode. We're gonna make sure that these are all. Oh, you can't pick. Mass edit doesn't let you pick manual mode. Interesting. All right, so we're gonna go to mode manual. Save. We're gonna have to do all these. Start. IP banned from concepts. Interesting. I haven't even been running concepts. Someone else got us banned, so I'm using Chai proxies. All right, let's not run any proxies. Let's just run from home. Should still let me get through. It's not banned. Billing error. So I'm going to stop. Make sure this was on manual mode. So this is kicking off an error anyways. Billing error. So all right. So we'll go to look at that. So concepts isn't quite work. Let's see if we duplicate this. Start. Same thing. You can't get a checkout URL with concepts. So this one's broken. Let's see. And this has to do with sites. Let's go ahead and go to edit. Let's go to manual. Start. Yeah, Jordan's not picking up. Let's pick up. Let's just change to Adidas. Let's make something really. All right, pick something up. Manual checkout needed. Checkout URL. All right, so shop extra butter works. All right, let's go manual. I hope you guys are finding this interesting. In a way, this is kind of how I test. This is something I think you guys should test. Whenever, whether it's Eve or any other bot, you always want to be testing to see how things work for you. You don't want to be trying to figure this stuff out on release day. All right, so this is a manual. It's not picking up an item. Let's go. Let's just do Adidas here. Should pick up something. There we go. Billing error. So this also didn't work. So sequence does not contain matching elements. So it's not able to grab the authentication token that we did in Jordan. I mean, not in Jordan, in Yeezy Supply. So let's go to, let's stop this actually here. Let's go to St. Alfred. I don't know if I missed one of these. Anyways, this is the last one I'm going to go ahead and run just to show you guys. Let's go ahead and start. I didn't find anything under Jordan. Change this to, I wonder if this is what's breaking it. Save. Start. See how I went waiting to queue? That's interesting. There's a queue going on. Anyway, check out URL. Let's go there. There you go. All right. Oh, let's see what they have put here. Is different from billing. Okay. That's it. That's manual mode. That is the checkout URL process. Make sure you test each site to make before you run and make sure if it's working for you. It obviously is not happy with everyone, but when it works, it should be great. All right, guys. Hope this helped. Thanks.